From Chequin School, and we would like to perform some home dance. The second song is actually home song, but it's all translated into English. But the sounds and the music and everything still sounds like our music, okay? So I hope that you guys enjoy this.
Tenemos unos estudiantes de Chequin que van a hacer un baile de man, y la segunda canción está en inglés, pero está traducido de man, así que se suena como se debería si estuviera en man.
And this is our costume. This is what we wear for New Year and wedding and our celebration, okay? That's why it's so beautiful.
Así, esto es uno de nuestros costumbres, estos que nos llevamos en el nuevo año. Y también en las bodas y otras celebraciones, así, por eso está tan bellísima.
Enjoy. Okay, get it out further apart because they practice all the month because they're so excited. And you wonder who teach them? Me. I've been doing this for 32 years. So I've been doing this for 32 years. So I coordinate everything for them, and I only like to teach little girl. I don't really, the bigger girl, they're not as fun as the little one. So I'm glad you guys enjoy it. Thank you.